quick pit stop to get a coffee. Impromptu lunch stop. Blueberry cake, latte.
Put the sauce.
I put.
Thank you.
Chipotle chili mayo.
Romantic you have.
Yeah.
When you come back, I think.
Yeah.
Huh?
So Demi, where are we going now? To a canyon, you said.
Don't ask me the name.
Not the name. Okay.
What was it? Studgill Canyon.
Oh, okay.
It's a 1 mile walk.
All right.
Yeah, probably 30 minutes.
30
We're
minutes.
walking down into the canyon. Basalt?
This is where those pillars are. Those.
Carefully, your DJI will be in the water soon.
Post-hike refreshments. Chill can of Pepsi. Yeah, we can.
You want breakfast?
No, not now. I think we'll eat later. Thank you for asking.
Yeah.
Though.
Oh, sandwiches.
Cool. Oh man, first pit stop. Oh shucks, legs are.
I thought you were driving.
No, Bijoy was. I was driving when we got the thing washed. Oh, it's freezing. Wearing shorts, not a good idea. A regular cream one. Okay, the feedback is not good.
When normal Pepsi,
I'm sure if it was not 0 calories, it would have been much nicer. You can taste that nice strawberries and cream, but then that stevia, you can taste the stevia eventually. Right? Stopping for fuel. The main cabin is locked, but the driver door is open. Can I have a sip? Thank you. So good, man. And we're here. We're staying at the Odson Hotel. Checking out of the RV into a hotel. Oh, nice. Welcome to our humble abode for the next. Manoj, what did you have in mind? Room with the view. Too romantic getaway. So now we're heading to the airport to drop off the caravans and pick up some rental cars. That's the fit. Let's go. Hosed it down. You're going in this car or coming in us? Huh? Coming in this one, you know?
I'm going there.
Okay, what is it? This is the car for the next 5 days. Cute! In a weird twist of fate. On our first day back in Reykjavik, we are at the same place where we ate on our first day here. Just winging it. We were actually just winging it.
Which is the spicy one? Eat it and you'll know it. Which is the spicy one?
How many seconds to get out?
It's like sitting in a
How every year I forget your birthday.
Yeah.
But I swear to God, Alan, I'm not even kidding. I really did like all day feel like there's something that I know I'm missing. Okay, 9th of July. But anyway, happy birthday. I love you.
I love you too. Speak soon. In no way.
Drink the breakfast, man. Chia seeds is mango.
There's a chair here.
Reykjavik. We're headed to the Indian embassy to get Manoj a letter for his damaged passport. Got my ACG fleece polar tech on. Quick check of the outfit. Alright, so we went to the embassy. Nothing could be done. I'm gonna go put on a waterproof jacket and head down. We're gonna go look at some whales.
Should be here, I should say.
Oopsie, Jesus, that tile's come loose. Right, the church trip's done. I'm now taking a detour. I found this store called Hurra in Reykjavik. I think they do Carhartt and all of that, so I want to go check out if they have anything nice. Since I'm out of t-shirts and I need to buy a new one soon for the rest of my trip. Okay, I walked into this alley right here, and that's where Hurra is. That's the store I've been looking for. $1.5 million, huh? So in dirhams it must be about 38,000. I don't know. Look at the geysers of the makeshift geysers of life.
Where are the kids?
That's where life went.
He looks like Rihanna from the Super Bowl, no? Same shoes anyway.
All the way to tropical areas to breathe and
Looks like this is the place we are coming to the most often. Just winging it. Oh, this has to be informed to people. 3 times winner of the European Street Food Awards.
Buffalo soldier. Ocean wholesome heaven.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Wow. How's it look? Yeah?
One of that is missing.
Heading out for dinner. Icelandic food apparently. Well, Dacia it is.
The restaurant is here on the left side.
9:30 p.m. Can you imagine wearing sunglasses at 9:30 p.m.? See how bright? I have my gloves and my beanie right here, but trying to brave the weather. Yeah, brave the weather. And we're here. I hope our reservation still stands. Thank you so much.
Actually, you have the first one. Everyone is huge and then yes. Can you guess what this is? Oh, great.
10:30 p.m. Sun's out. Dinner is done. Alright, ending the day. Gonna go back, wash my hair. I don't like gin, no, so I don't want to go to a gin bar. Back at the hotel. Crossing the road. It's not too bad. Must be about 14 degrees or 13. But it's the wind, man. It's the wind that gets you.